4 or 5 like that.
Good shot. He was about to go.
Yeah.
He was about to get behind that tree.
Oh, man, way to go, Mike.
All right.
What a day here in Woodward County, western Oklahoma. We set up, hunted all day. I don't know, we must have seen 10, 15 different gobblers, but we waited on this with about 10 hens. Work all the way down this field, Chad and I. Chad was running the camera, did a great job. He said, take him, and I had to wait for him to step out in the clearing, and there he went. So what a day in western Oklahoma. That's all I gotta say.